Well, we did it again. We did a test on window coverings, a new one. Basically, it's based on your guys' suggestions and comments. They were incredible. They really helped us on this. This did two things. It gave us some new material to test, and it also gave us kind of a new method for testing. The materials that we used were bubble wrap, but this large bubble wrap, because for that. So before we did the small, this is the large, and then we also did insulated curtains, and then we also did a clear shower curtain, and then of course we had the one with just glass. And what we did is we set it up on these containers, 27-gallon containers, and we took window panes that are from our house.
Yeah, because we have extra ones in the garage.
Yep, they go on the outside. They're kind of like storm windows. Storm windows, yeah. So we put those on the same amount of ice. So we filled that with ice. Then we put a probe in the container with the ice, and then we taped the probe to the top. And what we looked for our results this time is we looked at the difference between the temperature in the ice and the temperature on top of the actual fabric. I thought that worked pretty good.
Yeah, it did work pretty well.
Yeah, and what we did is then we went around and we sampled it every half hour, right?
Yes, every half hour. For how many hours?
We did it 4 times.
4 times, yeah.
Yep.
So 2 hours.
And it was surprising because our results actually they were about the same. It was kind of like the same as last time. Well, so let's go into our results. Let's just get right to it. The first was the control. And that was glass only, had no covering, and what we saw was a difference of 2.7 degrees. And we consider this our baseline. And then Belinda did
I did the insulated curtains, because we bought the insulated curtains, which was the most requested from our previous video, so that's why we chose that fabric. The highest difference on this was 4 degrees. Clearly better than the glass. So keeps it a little warmer than just plain glass.
Yep. Once again, that was the insulated curtains. And then we did the large bubble wrap. And which was, like I said, every one the large. Its highest difference, believe this or not, was 5 degrees Fahrenheit. This one really kind of surprised us. And you know, if you think about it, it's nice too because you can actually see through it.
Then the final one we used was a clear shower curtain, and it's just a standard shower curtain. We have a description for it in our link. And the highest difference on this shower curtain was 2.6. This one actually performed worse than all of them in our control study.
That one kind of caught me off guard.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, the control is just glass. And then now we found out that the shower curtain, which is a plastic liner, was actually cooler than the glass, and it was consistent throughout the testing. One thing I noticed right away, though, is when I touched it, because I thought, well, maybe this isn't right. I touched it, and it actually did feel cooler.
Yeah, I think it was just absorbing the cold.
Yeah, well,
the plastic was.
Yeah, what it was is I actually looked it up online. I did some research. Of course, I did research. And what I found was what probably happened is that there's a layer of air in between the plastic and the glass. And that air was being drawn across the glass, and that actually brought the temperature down. So that's our theory, and basically from my research, that's what it was. And that also, which like she said, that cooled off the plastic. So, you know, it didn't actually, you know, work as well as you would think.
Yeah, it didn't warm up your window.
Yeah. So for as far as the rankings go, the best performer was the large bubble wrap.
I thought the insulated curtains would be the best performer because those are right on your window.
I would have put money on the insulated curtains.
Yeah, and we got the really good ones too.
Yeah.
But the bubble wrap, before we started doing all this testing, I never thought of using small or large bubble wrap as a covering for your window. But, you know, it makes sense. I mean, it's right, even though it's plastic, but because it has the air in between the bubbles.
That just stays there.
It stays there.
Yeah, the air is not moving.
That made the huge difference. And that, yeah, now we know that that's the way to go.
And a lot of you are right. I mean,
Yeah.
you guys said that
Use bubble wrap.
use bubble wrap, and after the first one, you said no, you don't use the small bubble wrap. Use the big bubble wrap. And a little heads up on that: if you're looking for bubble wrap around, it's hard to find the big stuff.
Yeah.
I had to go all over to find it. I finally found it at Lowe's. And then the next one that got second place were the thermal curtains.
Yeah.
Which makes sense. Then, of course, it was the control, which blows me away. Again, even though I explained why, I still think the control was, just plain old glass. Did fine. So you could be okay with just plain glass. And then, of course, what came in very last was the clear shower curtains.
Yeah, that was a surprise.
Yep.
So, yeah, because we have single panes, so we have the second panes every year we put on and take off. When it gets colder, we put the second storm window panes on.
Yeah.
In the summer, we take them off. So that's the reason why we have those.
And thinking about good reasons and things to think about, Belinda should have her trivia for the day.
And yes, I do. My trivia is still air is one of the best insulators. That's why material that traps air, like bubble wrap or thick fabrics, can reduce heat loss. If air is able to move, like behind thin plastic, it will actually increase heat loss instead of stopping it. That's exactly what we saw in this test.
Yep, that's exactly what we saw in this test. Now that we've done this test, we were thinking about it, and I just wanted to ask you guys, would you be interested in us doing a video where we compare the winner of the last test to the winner of this? If so, leave a message in the comments, about that. Let us know if you're interested in that, or if you just assume we move on. We're really curious about your thoughts on that. And also, don't forget to give us your thoughts on everything about this video.
And what you thought the winner was going to be.
Yeah.
The curtains, the bubble wrap, plastic. I thought the plastic really was going to be a lot better because I put those foam plastic on our windows and I thought, hey, that worked.
Yeah.
But now that we tested it, they don't work so well.
No, it doesn't. But yeah, so just put something in the comments, and well, thanks for watching, and also leave any suggestions for any other videos you're interested in. My name is Wayne.
Yeah, my name is Belinda. We hope this was informative for you, and thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and we're Normal Prepping. Bye.